Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be demonstrating how to use one of the NVDA add-on, that is voice toggle. What this add-on does is you can predefine few of your favorite synthesizers along with their voices, and you can quickly toggle between them using a shortcut, that is Alt NVDA plus V for voice. NVDA is nothing but your insert key or caps lock key if caps lock is modified as insert key. This is the shortcut to toggle between the voices that you have set. So let's begin. First, I'll try to install the add-on. I'll open NVDA menu by hitting Insert N.
NVDA menu.
I'll hit T to go to Tools. I'll hit A to open Add-on Store.
Install Add-ons left parent.
I'll navigate to Available Add-ons.
Enabled / disabled combo box. Channel sort by tab, close but tab control. Installed Add-ons tab selected. Update available Add-ons tab selected.
Okay, available add-ons, and here I'll search for voice toggle.
Channel include search edit alt plus S blank VORCE.
I just typed voice. I'll tab.
Add-ons list alt plus A city full tech mute virtual voice world voice set voice talk virtual notes for mute virtual note voice toggle semi status available.
Okay, voice toggle. This is the add-on. I'll just try to install it.
Button context menu install home install install available Add-ons left pair. Add restart NVDA no yes button.
NVDA is restarting.
Loading NVDA desktop list.
Since it is my first add-on tutorial, so I am showing how to install the add-on as well. Okay, going forward for any of the add-on tutorials, I won't be demonstrating how to install. You can refer to this tutorial. Now that NVDA got restarted, I'll navigate to NVDA settings. I'll open NVDA menu by hitting Insert N.
Menu.
I'll hit P to go to Preference. I'll hit S to open Settings.
General left.
I'll hit V till voice toggle option is focused.
Vision 6 of V. Voice toggle 20 of 21.
Voice toggle. I'll tab
Voice
here.
Toggle property page. Voices list. British English left parent. IBM TTS right parent.
So here you'll find the list of voices that you have added. So currently,
voices list. British English left parent. IBM TTS right parent.
So this is the current voice, IBM TTS. So now I'll try to add another TTS.
Add voices list. British English left parent. IBM TTS right parent.
Okay, IBM TTS. Now let me add another voice.
Add voice button.
Hit enter on add voice.
Add voice dialog. Synthesizer combo box speak NG collapsed.
Okay, now here synthesizer combo box is there. I'll hit all down arrow. I'll down arrow to navigate.
List. IBM TTS speak NG.
Okay, let me select eSpeak itself.
Add voice dialog. Voice combo box Afrikaans collapsed.
Now here voice I'll select.
Voice list Arabic Arabic. E English left parent. Caribbean right. E English left parent. Great Britain right parent.
Okay, English Great Britain. I'll select this and
add
tap
voice
to
dialog. Add
and hit enter.
NVDA settings voice toggle left parent.
Now let's navigate to the voices
Remove
list.
Voice add voices list. English left parent. Great Britain right parent. Left parent. eSpeak NG right parent.
Okay, eSpeak is added here. Now I'll hit up arrow.
English left parent. IBM TTS right parent. English.
So now we have two voices. So here you can keep on adding whichever synthesizer you like. So I'll add one more.
Button.
Hit enter on add voice.
Dialog. Synthesizer combo box eSpeak NG collapsed.
I'll hit all down arrow to open the combo box. I'll navigate.
Synthesizer list. Microsoft Speech API. Microsoft Speech A Windows 1 core voices.
Okay, I'll select Windows 1 core voices.
Add voice dialog. Voice combo box Microsoft David collapsed.
So here you need to select the voice.
Expanded. Voice list Microsoft George.
Let me select George.
Add voice combo box Microsoft George. Synthesizer combo box Windows 1 core voices. Voice add button.
Just hit enter on add.
NVDA settings
Now let me navigate to the added voice list.
Microsoft George left parent. Windows 1 core voices right parent.
Okay, so Microsoft 1 core is also added. I'll hit up arrow.
Left parent. Great Britain right parent. Left parent. eSpeak NG right parent.
eSpeak English Great Britain.
British English left parent. IBM TTS right parent.
So now we have three voices, that is IBM, eSpeak and Windows 1 Core Voice.
Add voice
So
button. Remove
tap
update
to,
voice when NVDA take own speech settings change checkbox checked.
if you want the voice to update, keep
Remove
it checked.
update voice when NVDA take own speech settings change checkbox checked.
So by default it is checked. I am leaving
OK
like that.
button.
I'm hitting enter on OK. So now I have predefined three voices, IBM TTS, eSpeak and Windows 1 Core Voice. So to toggle between these predefined voices, as I mentioned earlier, you need to hit the shortcut Alt NVDA plus V. Let me hit Alt NVDA plus V.
English left parent right written right parent.
Okay, it has switched to eSpeak. I'm hitting Alt NVDA plus V again.
Microsoft George.
It has switched to Microsoft Voice, that is George. Again, I'm hitting Alt NVDA plus V.
British English.
Again, it has switched to IBM. So in this way, you can quickly toggle between the voices that you have predefined. I definitely feel this add-on is very useful and it saves time. Like we need not navigate to synthesizer dialog every time to change the synthesizer and voice. Let me know in the comment box if you also find this add-on useful or not. That's all in this podcast. Thank you.